We're fixing to leave out of this dungeon. It's hot, it's muggy,
Yeah,
but it was cheap.
Let me get the air. Well, it's like $27. Like,
yes.
The hotel wanted $70 each time you do valet. That's leaving and coming back.
It's ridiculous.
You know, so this place is a lot better. We're headed up to Kateerskill Falls. Where is it at? Hold on. 2 hours and 43 minutes. Okay. So it is in. It's in like, as I say, near Hudson. Near Hudson.
Hudson.
All right, we'll get there at 11:48.
All right, we'll see you there. I'll probably show you some bits on the way. Anything happens, well, there's something always happening in New York City.
Fly with the stars, I'm free.
We pulled over on the side because he saw this barn right there. He wants to get footage of the barn. There he is. This is the life of photographers, and plus I had to put on my Crocs. This is where we're at. He's taking photos of this red barn. It's about to fly the drone.
Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm glad to be alive, cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I'm young and dumb and hopeless, right? But I'm bound to turn out alright, yeah. The city's really not my vibe now, so I'm moving out my parents' house, yeah. To go and live another life where my dreams don't lay down and die. I'll hang out with the folks on screen. I'll be chilling in a pot of gold.
We're in the Catskills. I think the name of this fall is Kateerskill Falls. Never heard of it, but the drive up here was absolutely beautiful.
In backcountry.
We're in backcountry.
Backcountry.
Backcountry, New York. The parking lot was full, so we had to park over here, pay $10. Not bad.
There's a huge line to get down there, but you hear the waterfall.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Going down here, so I have to bust my butt. It's just a drop. All these cars. Okay, we're hiking back up to the main trailhead, the intersection where everything meets together, and we're going down to the lower falls, which is I think 0.4 miles or 0.5 miles, I'm not sure. Take that filter off. All right, so now we're about to cross this bridge.
Hey guys, hit pause.
Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. We should definitely go down there. Lower portion. The water's moving pretty quick. They said it rained a lot here recently. Rinsing out all this mud from my socks. And I had nothing but mud all over my legs. Lower Falls Trail.
You should bet your money on me, 'cause I'm never ever coming home. I'll fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
You can call 1,000 times, but I'm not picking up tonight, 'cause I'm a bit too busy serving all the smiles, having me a real good time. With a drink full of bubbles, it's the back for my health. Holy shit, I just stumbled, still I'm feeling myself.
Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day.
Pumpkin pie milkshake, so good.
This is the German chocolate cake. It's amazing.
Sweet. And we're at Mama's Boy Burgers in small town. I think it's called Kateerskill, or
I'm not exactly sure what it's called.
yeah, in New York. But it's a rad spot. I can't wait to get the food.
Every weekend, make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom.
I gotta put directions in. And why the f is it 3 hours and 45 minutes? It took us 2 hours and 4 minutes. So an hour and 5 minutes more. What the f is wrong with you, New York City?
Oh my god, I hate the traffic.
9 miles from the hotel to City Field. We left at like 3:50. Should have got there around no more than like probably 4:10, 4:20. Well, no, maybe like 4:15. We got there close to like 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Didn't be 2 hours. Didn't take 2 hours to drive 9 miles.
We missed Kalani. But it's okay, because like it was still a great time.
Yeah, but New York, get your together. No, not New York, New York City.
Yeah.
What is this? I'm guessing they knew it was my birthday. I don't know. I mean, you know, I don't know. Maybe they knew it was my birthday coming up. But this is nuts. You know, I get a free fireworks show while driving, which is nuts. Like, you know, this is great. This is great. This is fantastic.
Only in New York. Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. It's a beautiful sky this morning. I like the clouds. It's just beautiful. That building right there is called McGraw-Hill. Don't know what that is. That's called the Pod Pass Hotel and furnished apartments. Yeah, but we're right next to Times Square. The only thing that sucks about New York is parking. Parking and traffic, that is terrible. I would not recommend driving the car here. Christian went out to take some photos. I think he brought his drone with him, so he's probably gonna do drone footage of the river. And then when he comes back, we're gonna head back to Maryland today. If he didn't have to work, we'll probably watch we'll probably go to the Post Malone concert tonight, or the Governor's Ball again, because he has to work at 1 o'clock, so there's no way that's gonna happen. Bye, Doubletree. You had a nice view, but
Alright, well, I survived driving New York City. Not out of the you know, I'm not out of the woodwork yet, but you know, I was pretty good with driving. I didn't kill anyone. No one hit me, so that's good.
amen.
You know.
It's an hour and 30 minutes to get back home.